I every Geometry Dash wave ranked. I don't know why this came into my mind, but what the hell? Why not? Okay, default wave. Um, I think it's a good wave, and a lot of people use it. This wave is basically the same thing. This wave, it's okay. It's not horrible, but it's still bad. This wave is just terrible. Get it out of my sight. This wave is underrated. This wave is really underrated. I think it should be a solid B tier. This is S tier easily. This wave. I don't think it's a bad one. I think it's like, I wish I could make a tier in between. I don't want to, because I want to stick with this. No. Okay. This wave. It's okay. This wave, I don't like it. This wave is better. I don't know why it's better, but it just is. This one is awful. Get it out of my sight. This one, it's not the greatest. This one, I mean, look at it. It's like an autist made a wave. Me, I'm just kidding. This wave is really bulky, so I'm not gonna put it that high. This wave is, nah, you thought. Alright, this wave is actually underrated, and I do enjoy it sometimes. This wave is not that good. This wave's terrible. This wave's terrible. This wave's terrible. This wave, wait. Can I make a tier below it? No, I can't, but whatever. This wave is, well, look at this. It should be S, no. This wave is underrated. This wave is mediocre. This wave is, it's literally just a better version of that. This wave, it looks like the shit emoji. I don't want to see it. This one's awful. This one is, it's okay. This one, I mean, look at it. It's actually good, right? This one is okay. It's not the worst. This one is mediocre. This one's mediocre. This one's mediocre. This one, however, is pretty good. I think that should be the tier list. I think that is a good tier list. I don't know. I kind of rushed through it. I don't really care. Yeah, okay. Let's do GD UFOs. Yeah, there's a thing. GD UFOs. No. God freaking gosh. Search. Alright. This one is good. Alright. Alright. This one is really, really underrated. Okay. I'm sorry. This one, straight up garbage. I mean, Woogie, why do you use it? This one, see, it's okay. This one's, I like this one. I like this one. This one is more like a D tier. Alright. This one is good. This one is kind of bad. This one's terrible. This one's terrible. This one is terrible. No, actually, it's decent. This one, it's okay. This one is good. This one is kind of good. This one's really big. I don't like it. This one, I mean, I really like it. I'm gonna put it at A tier. This one, solid S tier. Alright. This one should probably go in the goddamn bottom. This one, it's, I don't know. This one, I wish I could put it in the recycling bin. Just imagine I put that in a recycling bin. This one is terrible. Look at the eyes. It's ugly. This one's good. This one is really big. I don't like it. This one is good. This one is underrated. This one is okay. This one is pretty good. This one is really good. This one is also really good. No. B tier. This one. No. This one. What is this? This is twin. Alright, this one's bad. This one's too bulky, but it's decent. This one's really good. I like that one. I think that's a good tier list. So, I will save it. Now I'm going to do one more because, yeah. Is it all of them? It is all of them. And they have everything. Alright. This one is good. This one is... I like it. I like it a lot. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. This one is good. I like it. This one is okay. This one is okay. This one is better. This one is poo stinky. This one is absolutely terrible. This one is good. This one, I mean, come on. It's the classic. Actually, I think it's A tier. Next. A freaking caramel ball should be reserved for that ball. Reserved. It's better, but poo stinky. I like this one. I love this one. I like this one too. This one's basically copied, but that one's just better. This one. Let's see. Wait, no. This one is kind of D. This one is better. This one is meh. This one is... I mean, not a whole lot of people use it, but I'll give it D. This one, I mean, look at it. It's ugly. This one is just a way better version of that, so therefore I'll put it C. This one is underrated. This one is mediocre. This one is good. It's pretty good. This one is... I don't know, world. This is okay. That's just okay. No, I don't like it. This one is pretty good. A lot of people use it. This one, it's... No. Well, hold on. I'll put it up here. This one, since Starfall uses it and he's one of my favorite players, I'll put it at A. This one, I love it. I mean, who doesn't? This one is okay. This one, I like that one. I like that one too. This one is okay. Or D. Reserved for that ball, easily. This one's okay. This one is ever so slightly better. This one is... Well, no, I actually kind of like it sometimes, so I'll put it B. I like this one. But nobody uses it. But my friend uses it. But I don't use it, so that doesn't mean anything. This one's better. Alright. I think that's good. Thank you for wasting your time on the dumbest tier list ever made.